Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do clustering using the what we used to call Excel Miner. It was then called Analytic Solver, and now it's called Excel Solvers. And we're gonna use it through the Nutanix frame. So I'm demonstrating two things: the access of the Nutanix frame and using it inside of it, doing clustering, and then getting my file back into my computer. So first I'm gonna go to my browser and type frame.nutanix.com/questrom. I'm gonna sign in with my BU login, and then I'm gonna well sometimes you may have to enter your credentials, your email. Don't forget at bu.edu. You may have to log in a second time but with just your username without at bu.edu and your password again. And after that, you're going to have this screen. So I'm going to click on ASP Application Manager to start a session. You need to be patient because this could take some time. Feel free to move the video forward. It says here to wait, it's gonna come. Okay, good. Now it's done. I'm gonna close this. So register RSP Excel ID. I'm gonna click on that, then OK, then exit. Now I need to upload my Excel file that has my data that I'm gonna work on. So in order to do that, we used to have like an icon here we click on to upload the files, but now we're gonna click on this rectangle in the top middle and then click on upload. Then I'm gonna go and get my file, wherever it is in my computer. Here it is, my data. I'm gonna open it. And now it's in my instant Nutanix frame. Not, I'm gonna go and open that file. Click on this icon and then click on Frame Explorer. And then here, my file will be here under uploads. Now I cannot click on it and work on it here because it's not going to save any of my work. So I want to move it into the frame, the Nutanix frame computer. So I'm going to click on it and drag it into documents here. All right, now my file is in the Nutanix frame in documents. So here it is. So now I'm gonna open it. So I'm gonna go and open Excel. So click on this icon again and go to Excel. And then I'm gonna do open other. I'm gonna open my file. Let me close this. Open other workbooks. And then I'm gonna browse and go find it in my documents. So it's here. There it is. So I'm gonna click on it and open that file. All right, enable editing. So I'm gonna do some work on it. If I click on the icon here, data science, I'm gonna see cluster here is gonna become colorful in a minute, and then I can do my clustering. Let me close this. Before I do any work, I wanna save it under a different name so I don't lose my work. So I'm gonna go to File, Save As. I'm gonna still stay in current folder, documents. I'm gonna name it under another name. So I'm gonna write here clustering. Okay, save. Now, if I do changes, I can just click save and it will be saved. So let me do clustering now. I'm gonna click on, like I said, the data science tab and then cluster, and then K means clustering. Then I will have my variables show up here. So I'm gonna click on the variable that I want and move them here. So remember, we're gonna do the numeric variables. So budget and meta score, we're gonna move them. So these are my two variables. Then click on parameters. Put here how many clusters I want. I want 2 or 3, whatever, how many clusters you want. Let's say 2 clusters, for example. And then I can leave here those parameters, iteration next 10, random seed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then start 1. Here, under K means display, I'm gonna select cluster centers, enter cluster distance, cluster summary, and record cluster distance. I don't need this one, and then finish. So here I have my cluster results. My file is ready. Let me save it. I'm gonna save it. And now I have to download this into my computer because it's not in my computer yet. So I'm gonna go and find my file, which is here. I just went back to the Frame Explorer. Find my file here under Documents. Here it is. And then I have to drag it into Download Now. It's gonna be downloaded into my computer this way. So let me see if I go under downloads. If I go into my computer folder here and then click on downloads. It hasn't been downloaded. Let me try again. Click on it and drag it into download now. Now it's coming. There you go. So let me find this again. Click here and go to downloads. Not showing. I think it's coming. It just it's taking time. Here it is. Now I have my file ready. It's also showing up here in downloads. So now I can click on it and it's not saved yet into my computer. I want to save it in protected view. Let me try that. It's in downloads. ID clustering. There you go. And then I'm gonna do file, save as, and then save it in a folder in my computer. And that's it. Now I'm done. Thank you.